What's the meaning of boyo? Boyo. Boyo.
Boyo. Boyo. Boyo is a slang term that originated in the United Kingdom. It is typically used to refer to a young boy or man, and can be seen as a somewhat affectionate term. However, it can also be used in a derogatory or belittling way, depending on the context and tone of voice. The term has also been used in various literary and artistic works, sometimes as a character name or as part of a title. Overall, boyo is a somewhat informal and potentially loaded term that should be used with care, and preferably reserved for casual conversation among friends or acquaintances.